Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download, mention and automate social listening with AI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type mention.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. Review and accept the terms of service before proceeding. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Return to the Mention website and log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the Create an Alert button to begin setting up your social listening parameters. Enter keywords relevant to your brand or topic for monitoring. Select the sources you want to track, such as social media, blogs, or news sites. Customize your alert frequency and choose how you want to receive notifications. Save your alert configuration to activate it. Now that you have created your first alert, explore the Analytics dashboard. This dashboard provides insights into mentions, keywords, and trends. To automate social listening with AI, look for the integration options. Navigate to the Integrations section of the dashboard. Find the AI tools available for enhancing your social listening experience. Connect your favorite AI tool by following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, adjust settings to optimize AI performance according to your needs. Regularly check your Mention dashboard for updated insights and alerts. By following these steps, you will successfully download, mention, and automate your social listening with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.